Hi everybody, and welcome to the first update of the All at Sea group build. The group build is still less than 2 weeks old, but there are already 24 started entries to the group build, including one of my own. I thought I'd start early to give myself a chance to finish. There's many more planned, and 5 models have already been finished, which is a great start. I'll show, as usual, a montage of works in progress at the end, and I'll mention a few people now. The first person I'd like to mention, because I missed him out of the Great War group build, is Al Wood of Al Wood's Modelling Mayhem YouTube channel. He started and finished a Type 27 U-boat from Revel, also known as a Sea Hund. That's finished and is great. It's one of our finished entries. He's also started and now finished building, but not yet painted, a Surcouf, a French submarine cruiser from the interwar period, a very large submarine. So thank you, Al, for entering those. I will put a link to Al's channel below in the description. I'd also like to mention Chris Manning, who's planning on building a couple of kits, including the one he started, a German Land Wasserschlepper. I'm no good with some names. It's a half tug, half tractor vehicle. I believe it's due for meant for beach rescues and things like that. So it's a tracked amphibious vehicle. It's got the hull built and the tracks and coming along and that sort of thing. So thank you, Chris, for entering that. There'll be some pictures of it in the montage at the end. I'd like to mention Linda Marshall. She's built a version of the Nautilus, fictional craft, of course, from the film 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. I really like the squid that's holding it. There's a giant squid that serves as sort of a stand for the submarine, and I like the colours on that and the contrast against the Nautilus. So that's great. Thank you, Linda, for entering that. And Michelle Ridder is entering a Mi-2 helicopter in Mexican Navy markings. So that's got its new instrument panel that he had to make himself, and it's mostly built now, I believe. It's just got to start having some paint put on it. So thank you, Michelle, for entering that. So that's it for the mentions in the first update. Now I'll put the pictures of works in progress at the end. And all there is to say is, until next time, thanks for watching, keep modelling, and have fun. Bye!
Thank you.